Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm David Harsh, and together with my wife Whitney, we are here to serve beginning and intermediate guitar players who want to bring glory to God through their music. Now, I love to play the guitar, but I also love to have an understanding of why music works the way it does. So I'm committed to not just helping you become a better guitar player, but also a better musician. This will allow you to make more intentional choices, it'll allow you to play better with other musicians, and it'll allow you to enjoy music all that much more. Here on the channel we have multiple playlists that address a lot of different topics, and by the way, if you don't see a topic and you want to suggest one to us, we'd love to hear from you on that. But we also want to keep it as relevant as possible. I use all of this stuff in my touring, performing, guest worship leading, and recording in the studio, so I really try to keep it as relevant as possible. We like to have fun, we like to approach music in some fun and unique ways, but always keeping it accessible and relevant to the journey of our subscribers. So please, check out what we have for you, and if you see something here that is especially interesting, like it and share it. And if you want to go deeper, we do have a paid offering called Guitar Success for You, and I'll include more information about that below. But we're glad you're here, we're honored to serve you, and we look forward to seeing you in the videos.